when people have got the right equipment, right things, then the farming becomes very easy. So once again, on behalf of the family here, those who are present here, I would like to thank our government, today's government, who has done a lot for the people. And without further ado, once again, I would like to thank each and everyone for your presence here. Thank you very much.
A large number of farmers throughout Fiji benefited from these programs that we had. Women in Agriculture program announced and advertised. So close to 30 farmers were supported under the small machinery program, up to $18,000, up to $12,000 ministry would contribute. So Avinash is the recipient, one of the recipients. There are another farmer similarly like Avinash who purchased the same Solis tractor in Nasuri, and he also topped up. So we want to thank Avinash for being the recipient of this grant from government, and we are very excited to see you expanding your production and also contributing towards not only your own household but Fiji's agriculture development. So thank you and congratulations.
My name is Avinash Vinay Kamal.
My name is Anchita Kamal. We are staying here in Abua Road, Wailevu. Actually, we are very happy. We are very proud of receiving this grant because we are being funded about 70% by government. It has really contributed to us in buying the tractor, and we are really happy. All alone we couldn't have afford to buy the tractor, but through government funding we are able to buy a new tractor. And we are also happy that the Minister of Agriculture has came at our residence to hand over the tractor to us. Now we'll be able to do farming in a much easier way. It will help us in the land preparation. Before we used to hire other tractors for our land preparation or use a little rototiller that was a bit more harder. Now the tractor would make our work much easier. Actually, we do vegetable farming here. We plant bean, English cabbage, ginger, and tomato, all sorts of farming, all backyard agricultural farming. We advise if there is any grant available for all the farmers to take this opportunity and benefit like what we have benefited today.